Welcome back to school. Tracy here. We're glad you could join us in this video to learn more about how to hook up your computer. We're here in this video to set you up with your new Chromebook. The Chromebook is easier to use than your phone. Seriously! In this video, we're going to take you on a step-by-step journey. We'll get you connected to power and Wi-Fi and help you log in. Easy peasy, right? First, find your Chromebook box. Gently pull the computer and cord out of the box from the top. In your box, you will find the Chromebook computer, setup instructions, warranty information, and power cord. Gently remove the foam. Take out the power cord and find the small end of the cord. On the side of your Chromebook, the very first port or slot is where you plug in the power cord to the computer. Just like a puzzle, fit them together. Now plug the other end into the electrical outlet. Open your Chromebook. To move the cursor, use the mouse pad or arrow keys. Any problems? Refer to your setup instructions. The first screen will ask you about Wi-Fi. The screen will ask you to select your network. You will select the hotspot CMSD gave you or the network at your location. It is exactly like setting up the Wi-Fi on your phone. To set up your hotspot, refer to the instructions that Cleveland Metropolitan School District gave you. You can also refer to the hotspot video in this series. The next screen you'll see is an agreement to use your account. Scroll down using your mouse or arrow keys and accept the terms. Click on the blue button that says Accept. Type in your student's login information, usually first name dot last name at cmsdk12.org. Enter your password. Forgot your password? No worries. Click here, then hit Next or Enter. Still stuck? No worries. Call 216-838-0440. I know you're overwhelmed, but together we can do this. Stay safe, and we've got this.